You are watching Farabari Nepali Musti within the dense stretches of Boikuntapur forest in North Bengal. This is unique settlement surrounded by wilderness. This forested region is part of a vital elephant corridor, where majestic Asian elephants frequently roam in search of food, water, and shelter. The local community here has adapted to coexist with these gentle giants, witnessing both the beauty and challenges of living close to wildlife. In this video, explore the landscape, lifestyle, and rich biodiversity of the forest habitat, understand how human-elephant interaction shape daily life in this remote settlement. The video offers a glimpse into the silent struggle for balance between tradition, nature, and conservation. Watch this video. If you like it, please share it, and if you want to get more video, please subscribe this channel.